Home Remedies presents
Proven health benefits of banana peels and how to take it. Banana peels are surprisingly nutritious. Banana peels are not only safe to eat but also offer several health benefits. Here are some reasons to consider including them in your diet. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Number 1. Depression relief. Banana peels contain tryptophan, which converts to serotonin, potentially improving mood. Vitamin B6 in the peels also supports better sleep over time. Number 2. Digestive health. The fiber-rich peels can regulate digestion, easing both constipation and diarrhea. This benefit is particularly relevant for people with Crohn's disease or irritable bowel syndrome. Number 3. Better eyesight. Banana peels are abundant in vitamin A, which supports healthy eyes. Number 4. Potential cancer risk reduction. Banana peels contain antioxidants like polyphenols and carotenoids that fight cancer-causing free radicals. While studies were done in test tubes, more research is needed to confirm their effects in humans. To incorporate banana peels in your diet. Banana peels can be eaten both raw and cooked, but it is important to thoroughly wash them first. Conventionally grown bananas often have pesticide residues on the peels, so unless the fruit is organic, take care to remove any potential contaminants. When eating banana peels, start with small amounts as they are very high in fiber and can cause digestive issues if consumed in excess. There are several ways to incorporate banana peels into your diet. Puree the peels and add them to baked goods like banana bread or muffins. Boil the peels to make tea. Blend peel slices into fruit smoothies. Chop ripe peels and add them to savory dishes for a sweet flavor boost. Banana peel tea is not only delicious but also offers potential health benefits. Here's how to make it. Prepare the banana peels tea. Ingredients: banana peel of 1 banana, water 300 ml. Directions: start by washing the banana peel thoroughly. Place the peel in a pot of boiling water. Optionally add a cinnamon stick for extra flavor. Bring the water to a boil. Then lower the heat and let the peel simmer for about 10 minutes. Strain the banana peel water into a mug or teacup. If you prefer a little sweetness, drizzle some honey or add stevia to taste. Sip your delicious and healthy cup of banana peel tea.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.